Welcome back to our channel. If you've recently lost weight through injections like semaglutide, Ozempic, or Saxenda, or if you've achieved weight loss through other means such as gastric bypass or a low-calorie diet, congratulations on your accomplishment. Today, we are going to address a common question we receive. What's next? How can I maintain this weight loss and lead a healthy lifestyle? In this video, we will share the top 5 tips to help you keep the weight off and continue your journey toward a healthier you. Tip 5. Embrace exercise. Exercise is a vital component of your weight maintenance journey. Engaging in regular physical activity helps build and retain muscle, which boosts your metabolism. You don't need to spend hours at the gym. Even 20 minutes of high-intensity interval training, HIIT, or other workouts can be effective. If you have physical limitations, consult a specialist to tailor exercises to your needs. Tip 4. Monitor fat intake. While protein is crucial, opt for lean protein sources to avoid unnecessary fat intake. If you are not following a ketogenic diet, be mindful of the amount of fat in your diet, as excessive fat consumption can lead to weight gain. For women aiming to lose weight, daily fat intake should be around 35 grams, while men can aim for 55 to 60 grams. Healthy protein choices with lower fat content include beef jerky, salmon, whey protein supplements, and fat-free Greek yogurt. Tip 3. Watch carbohydrates. You don't necessarily need to follow a strict ketogenic diet, but practicing carb moderation or carb restriction can be beneficial. Focus on consuming low glycemic index carbs that have a lesser impact on blood sugar levels, preventing hunger spikes. To maintain weight loss, try not to exceed your carb intake beyond your protein intake. Tip 2. Limit sugar intake. Cutting down on sugary drinks, such as sodas and sugary coffee drinks, is crucial for weight maintenance. Sugar-laden beverages can lead to weight gain and increased hunger. Opt for alternatives like coffee with skim milk, which can help curb your appetite and keep the weight off. Tip 1. Prioritize protein. Protein is a key element in maintaining muscle mass, which is essential for calorie burning. To ensure you retain muscle and a healthy metabolism, aim for at least 1 gram of protein per pound of lean body mass. If you want to increase muscle, consider consuming a little more protein. Not only does protein aid metabolism, but it also helps control hunger, especially when combined with a low glycemic index carb diet. By following these 5 tips, you'll not only maintain your current weight loss, but also improve your overall health and well-being. A balanced diet with proper protein, limited fat, and sugar, along with regular exercise, will empower you to lead a healthy lifestyle and keep the weight off in the long run. Remember, sustainable weight loss and maintenance are not about quick fixes. It's about making healthier choices and forming lasting habits. So take it one step at a time, stay consistent, and be patient with yourself. You've come this far, and you can achieve even more by staying dedicated to your health goals. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found these tips helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.